here is how you can open the Galaxy Store on your device. Let me explain it. If it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get started. So the Galaxy Store is basically only available on the Samsung Galaxy phones, right? So this is a Samsung device right here, just a random one, right? But it should work on every Samsung phone. So as long as you have it, you should be able to get inside. And in order to find it, just go to all of your apps like here, and you just pay attention to the store icon, right? So it looks like this shopping bag, and it doesn't even say that it's a Galaxy Store. It's only titled Store, and you can just tap on it, get inside, and download the available games in here. You should also pay attention to the fact that you are required to use your Samsung account to even get inside, right? So inside of my settings, you can see at the top of the list, I have my Samsung account. So this is definitely necessary. If you don't have it, then you will not really have the ability to even access the Galaxy Store, and it's going to guide you through the way to set that up. But yeah, that's something that I wanted to explain and show to you. You should keep in mind as well that some apps on the Galaxy Store are only available on some models, so it kind of also depends on which specific Samsung phone you have, but it is kind of specific. So let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. I'm going to wrap it up right now. Thanks a lot for your feedback, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.